We will fail at being a good CFO and fail at doing our job of helping our clients grow if our client doesn't take some action, because they're the ones that has to do something in order to get their business to grow. We're just advising them on what to do. But if they don't take the action, their business won't grow, which means we'll fail. So we have to be able to get good at getting our clients to take action, which means we have to explain things in a language that they understand and is so motivating that they will want to take action.
And the key word there was motivating.
Yes, that you have to motivate a client. And that's why we always explain to CFOs that we're training, or accounting and bookkeepers and tax professionals that we're training, that every business owner has a different reason why they started a business. Every business owner on earth has their own specific reason. We need to find out what that is, because that is the thing that is going to motivate them.